Hi friends, important banking exam questions and answers. This is useful for the people are appearing any bank exam or attending bank interviews. Question number 201. What is meant by MCLR? Marginal cost of funds based lending rate. MCLR 2016. MCLR stands for marginal cost of funds based lending rate, which was introduced on 1st April 2016. It is aimed to help borrowers avail several kind of advances including home loans. Question number 202. What is meant by DRI? Differential rate of interest. Differential rate of interest is a lending program launched by Government of India in 1972. Question number 203. Who is considered as super senior citizen above 80 years? Above 80 years of age are termed as super senior citizens. Question number 204. What is meant by CIBIL? Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. CIBIL maintains the records of individuals' payment pertaining to loans and credit card. This agency was founded in 2000 and was first Credit Information Company. 2005. What is meant by ICRA? Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency. Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency is Indian independent and professional investment information and credit rating agency, was founded in 1991. Question number 206. What is meant by revolving credit? Operative loan account with line of credit. Revolving credit refers to an open-ended credit account like a credit card, other line of credit, that can be used and paid down repeatedly as long as the account remains open. Question number 207. What is meant by QDE? Quick data entry. Question number 208. What is meant by DSA? Direct sales agent. DSA is a person who works as a referral agent for a bank or NBFC. The job of a DSA is to find potential customers for the bank they represent. Question number 209. What is meant by balance transfer of a loan? Transfer an outstanding principal of a personal loan from one lender to another lender. Balance transfer is a process by which a borrower transfers an outstanding principal of a personal loan from one lender to another lender in order to benefit better terms such as lower interest rate or outstanding loan. Question number 210. What is definition of broken period interest? Interest charged between disbursement date to first installment. BPI or gap interest is charged when the time between the actual date of disbursement and the first installment is more than 31 days. Question number 211. What is meant by ASBA? Application supported by blocked amount. ASBA, abbreviation as application support by blocked amount, is an IPO application process developed by SEBI. It can be application containing an authorization to block the application money in the bank account for subscription to an IPO issue. Question number 212. What is gross settlement? Funds transferred for each payment transaction is processed in the payment. For the every one transaction you will get a settlement. A gross settlement system is one in which the settlement of funds transfer occurs individually as and when each payment transaction is processed in the system. Question number 213. What is meant by net settlement? Net differential being transferred between members. In a net settlement system, many transactions are accumulated and offset against each other, with only the net differential being transferred between members. Question number 214. What is meant by DPSS? Department of Payment and Settlement Systems. In the next layer is the oversight framework. As an effective oversight is the key of effective governance of payment system in the country. Question number 215. What is meant by cooling period in payments? Payments were not allowed during this period. Entity B, debarred from operating any payment system during the duration of cooling period. Question number 216. What is meant by AFA in payments? Additional factor of authentication. This is effect from August 1st, 2009. Banks were mandated to ensure the online transactions using credit and debit cards are authenticated by using AFA. Question number 217. When was Digital Ombudsman introduced in India? January 31st, 2019. The grievances relating to the digital mode of financial transaction accounted. Question number 218. What is meant by ODR? Online Dispute Resolution, implemented the same by January 1st, 2021. Question number 219. When did RBI announced regulatory sandbox? November 4, 2019. RBI announced the opening of first cohort under the regulatory sandbox on November 4th, 2019 with retail payments. Question number 220. What is meant by SOF? Shift Oversight Form. Question number 221. What is wait money in banking? Recorded money kept in the bank locker to track down the robbers. Wait money is the money which is being kept in the bank locker and duly recorded for the tracking down the robbers. Question number 222. What is meant by KCC? Kisan Credit Card. Kisan Credit Card will be in the nature of revolving cash credit account. Tenure is 5 years with a 10% annual increase of limit every year subject to annual review. Question number 223. What is meant by BIN? Banking Identification Number issued for the cards. Question number 224. What is meant by HTM? Hold to maturity. Hold to maturity securities are purchased to be owned until maturity. Before that you can't close. Question number 225. What is meant by coupon rate for securities? Rate calculated on face value. Coupon rate is the rate of interest paid by the bond issuer on the bond's face value. It is the periodic rate of interest paid by the bond issuer to the purchasers. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.